Hello and welcome to English class. Dear students, do you like dolls? Yes, I do. I have a doll. I call my doll Dolly. Dolly has many clothes. I keep her clothes in the cupboard. Today I'll show you how I dress up my dolly. Let us see. 8.5 Dressing Dolly. Look at the pictures and tell. A shirt. A shirt. Shorts. Shorts. A skirt. A skirt. A sweater. A sweater. A dress. A dress. Shoes. Shoes. Sandals. Sandals. Socks. Socks. A frock. A frock. A coat. A coat. A blouse. A blouse. A belt. A belt. Buttons. Buttons. A scarf. A scarf. A cap. A cap. A mask. A mask. What do you wear in the winter season? आप सर्दी के मौसम में क्या पहनते हैं? A sweater, a cap, and socks. What do you want to wear? आप क्या पहनना चाहती हैं? A dress. What do you want to wear? आप क्या पहनना चाहती हैं? A frock. What do you want to wear? आप क्या पहनना चाहते हैं? A coat. What will you wear today? आप आज क्या पहनेंगे? A shirt, shorts, a belt, and shoes. What shall Sarah wear today? सारा आज क्या पहनेगी? A blouse, a skirt, a scarf, and sandals. What shall Dolly wear today? Dolly आज क्या पहनेगी? A green shirt, black shorts, and sandals. Different clothes are made for different occasions. We should know how to dress properly. What do you wear while going to school? आप स्कूल जाते वक्त क्या पहनते हैं? स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म. What do you wear during sports day? आप स्पोर्ट्स के दिन क्या पहनते हैं? स्पोर्ट्स यूनिफॉर्म. What do you wear on festivals? आप त्योहार के मौके पर क्या पहनते हैं? कलरफुल क्लोथ्स. What will you wear on Eid? आप ईद के दिन क्या पहनेंगे? What is compulsory to wear during pandemic? वबाई बीमारी के दौरान क्या पहनना लाजमी है? A mask. We keep on changing our clothes and our styles for different occasions. My dear students, do remember, always dress well, but keep it simple. Dressing well is a form of good manners. You should wear clean clothes and a mask.
And the last but not least, if you want more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Take care and be happy. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.